Last class we discussed about nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloalkanes, and now we are going to discuss the chemical properties of halogenes. Halogenes introduce two types of chemical reactions. One is electrically substitution reaction, and second one is nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions already last class was discussed. Nucleophilic substitution reaction Dow process chlorobenzene treated with sodium hydroxide in presence of some specific conditions. Then phenol will be obtained and electron withdrawal groups will be increasing. The reaction rate will be increasing. Second type of chemical reactions are halogens electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions are halogens. That means ARX. Halogen electrophilic substitution reactions. This electrophilic substitution reaction increase halogens. Halogen atom behaves as electron donating group. Then presence of electron donating group on tensile. This will decide the second group of hydroxy group or any other group. It will be decided. All electron donating groups are ortho-para-dialectric groups and electron withdrawal groups are meta-dialectric groups. तो यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन एटम में इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप है तो सेकंड सब्स्टिट्यूएंट कंपलसरी ऑर्थो-पैरा पे सब्स्टिट्यूट है। ये पूरा लास्ट क्लास में एक्सप्लेन किया है। यहाँ पे टाइप्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस ऑफ हेलोजेंस। तो हेलोजन में हाइड्रोजन आइटम है इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप के जैसे बिहेव करेंगे। तो बेंजीन रिंग पे मोनो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप होगा तो ऑर्थो पैरा डायरेक्टली ग्रुप जैसे बिहेव करेगा। मींस सेकंड ग्रुप कंपलसरी ऑर्थो पैरा के सब्स्टिट्यूट। फर्स्ट रिएक्शन देयर आर 4-5 reactions. One is halogenation, chlorination, bromination, etc. Nitration, sulfonation, acylation, as well as alkylation. First, we are going to see halogenation reaction of halogen. First one, halogenation. Already we explained the halogenation of halogen. This is fluorobenzene. Fluorobenzene treated with chlorine in presence of AlCl3 anhydrous ApCl3 anhydrous ApCl3 anhydrous ApCl3 carrying a chloride or iron will be supplied. Then two types of product formed with chances. One is ortho substituted product, second one is para substituted product. This means ortho dichlorobenzene, that one para dichlorobenzene. Ortho dichlorobenzene and para dichlorobenzene. In these two compounds, the proportion of para dichlorobenzene is major proportion, major product, because major product in this one para dichlorobenzene. First, it will form easily and arranged in its crystalline structure systematically. That's why it is more stable than orthodichlorobenzene. That's why it is called major product than orthodichlorobenzene. Para-dichlorobenzene is major product comparison with orthodichlorobenzene. And its reaction mechanism is, as usual, 11th standard. एग्जाम्पल में यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करें FeCl3 treated with chlorine, then FeCl4 minus plus Cl form and electrophile form होना चाहिए. This Cl plus is known as electrophile. Cl plus is known as electrophile. This electrophile will react on benzene R2 para position in case R2 position की substitute was यहाँ पे R2 डाइक्लोरोबेंजीन because जो बेंजीन less formulated is over बेंजीन के positive sign रहेगा तो क्लोरीन आके substitute होके R2 डाइक्लोरोबेंजीन form. Next अगर ये हाइड्रोजन होगा तो para डाइक्लोरोबेंजीन and if Cl4 minus treated with this H plus then FeCl3 plus Cl but this is used as a catalyst FeCl. This is the first reaction, halogenation reaction. And the second one is nitration reaction. That nitration reaction is HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4 means halogen secondary condition nitration reaction. Nitration को halogen treated with concentrated H2SO4 plus HNO3. This mixture is known as which mixture? Concentrated H2SO4 and HNO3 mixture is known as nitration mixture. From this mixture, NO2 group behaves as electrophile. मतलब इसमें से NO2 plus electrophile जैसे behave करेंगे. Afterwards, this electrophile will react on benzene ring and forms two types of product. One is R2 and second one is para. First one here, fluorine, fluorobenzene treated with concentrated H2SO4 plus HNO3 HNO3 fluorobenzene treated with nitration mixture, concentrated H2SO4 plus HNO3 mixture is known as nitration mixture, and from this nitration mixture, NO2 plus formed as a electrophile, and this electrophile treated on fluorobenzene at the position of R2 and para. R2 and para product single bond and para nitrochlorobenzene R2 nitrochlorobenzene. Otherwise, 1,4 this one. So 1 fluoro 2 nitrobenzene and 4 fluoro, sorry, 1 fluoro 4 nitrobenzene. 1 fluoro 4 nitrobenzene is major product, other products are major products. And second one is sulfonation. Third reaction, sulfonation. Already the reaction mechanism given. There is hydrolysis H2SO4 HNO3 के साथ react करके NO2 plus release होगा H2O HSO2 minus byproducts. Sulfonation. In this sulfonation, chlorobenzene react with concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid. Then chlorobenzene react with concentrated sulfuric acid. Then two types of product form. One is 2-chlorobenzene sulfuric acid, and second one is 4-chlorobenzene sulfuric acid. Treated with poison treated H2SO4, then sulfuric acid, HSO3, and next RSO3H, 2-chlorobenzene sulfuric acid, 2-chlorobenzene sulfuric acid, and another one is chlorine HSO3, 4-chlorobenzene sulfuric acid, 4-chlorobenzene sulfuric acid, 2-chlorobenzene sulfuric acid. Paragraph is major product. In this reaction, HSO3 plus is behaves as electrophile because reaction occurs in the system. H2SO4 double bond OH and OH. Okay. Then double bond H, and this molecule water will be removed and minus H2O. This will give us as HSO3 plus HSO4 minus. We are saying OH minus reducible to sulfur copper positive sign. Next, this is saying hydrogen H plus form reducible to the negative sign diagram. So OH minus H plus water reducible and HSO4 minus this is liquefied and especially OH minus reducible to sulfur copper positive sign HSO3 plus. This is electrophile. This electrophile will react the fluorobenzene HSO2 plus. Here H plus will be removed and HSO3 substitute here. Plus substitute electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. Then here H plus will be this H plus will pattern, this HSO4 minus and H2SO4 substitution by this is third reaction. And fourth reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. And fifth one is Friedel-Crafts SH. First, we are going to see Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Three reactions are over. Friedel-Crafts alkylation or Friedel-Crafts two type reactions. Fourth one Friedel-Crafts reactions. So Friedel-Crafts reactions. In this reaction, one is alkylation, second one is SH. First, alkylation. Alkylation. Alkylation means alkyl group substitute. Acylation means acyl group substitute. First, alkylation. Fluorobenzene treated with alkyl halide. कोई भी alkyl halide के साथ रिएक्ट alkyl halide या फिर methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, etc. But in presence of anhydrous KLCl3. In presence of anhydrous KLCl3 over 3 possible. The first one, chlorobenzene treated with methyl chloride. Chlorobenzene treated with methyl chloride in presence of, okay, in presence of anhydrous anhydrous AlCl. This reaction also follows electrophilic substitution reaction. Fluorine is here and methyl group will be substituted at ortho and para positions. First product is minor product, second product is major product. 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene, 1 chloro 4 methyl benzene. 1 chloro 4 methyl benzene para product is major product, this one is minor product, and in this one, in this reaction, this methyl product is treated as electrophile. Reaction methods. First, CHCl3 mentioned mechanism. CHCl3 treated with AlCl3. Then this fluorine will be attached CH3 minus and CH3 plus. This CH3 plus is known as electrophile. Electrophile. Benzene means chlorobenzene. We have to CH3 plus. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा आल्फा पैराबोलिक विद सब्स्टिट्यूट होगा आल्फा पैराबोलिक ये विद सब्स्टिट्यूट होके टू प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पे क्या होगा प्लस प्लस इस H प्लस will minus HCl byproduct. Again, byproduct of HCl3 catalyst. This is the alkylation reaction of Friedel. Friedel reaction products phosphorus alkylation. This reaction completely follows electrophilic substitution reaction. And second one is acylation. Okay, this one is Friedel alkylation, and second one is Friedel acylation. Acylation means acylation is electrophile and this will substitute H and ion reaction. Hidden acylation reaction means chlorobenzene treated with acetyl chloride. Chlorobenzene CH3 C double bond HCl. Acetyl chloride catalyst the same anhydrous AlCl. Then two letters can be one is marker substituted C double bond CHB and second one is para substituted. These are the two types of problem. Acylation compulsory acyl group disappear. This one is acetyl chloride. This is chlorobenzene. And two products are 2 chloroacetophenol, 1 2 chloroacetophenol, and this one is 4 chloro. यहाँ से स्टाइल स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्रुप है तो यहाँ से काउंट कर रहे हैं 4 chloroacetophenol कीटोन ऑप्शन acetyl group so 2 chloroacetophenol and second one is 4 chloroacetophenol. In this reaction 4 chloroacetophenol is major product. because paragraph. And next one is and reaction mechanism. In this reaction mechanism, seen given study in the recipe, acetyl group CH3 C11 group Cl CL. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप के साथ क्लोरीन तो हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव atom. This highly electronegative atom attract electron from carbonyl group. Yes, Cl minus हो जाएगा. C3 C that one group plus and other one is ACl4 minus. This is known as electrophile. This one is electrophile. This electrophile react on fluorobenzene C3 C11 plus. Here hardcore and paracondition. H plus will be removed, H plus will be removed, and this will be added after paracondition. Cl circularly C double bond C 2 fluoro acetophenone and 4 fluoro acetophenone. 2 fluoro acetophenone and 4 fluoro acetophenone from byproduct H plus bond. And this byproduct will be Al Cl4 minus H plus. Then Cl and AlCl3 as this will reduce our catalytic recipe. This is the distillation reaction of alkylates. These are four reactions, including Ribbentrop reactions 2 and other reactions are 3. That means total 5 reactions belongs to electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. In this electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene, there are 5 reactions are very important. And nucleophilic substitution reaction again only one electron. So next we discuss uh, here one topic is given. Example number 10.9. Although chlorine is an electron withdrawing group, it is ortho para directed in electrophile aromatic substitution reaction 1. Clear information में जो एक्सप्लेन किया वो यहाँ पे है एक बार solution चेक कर. Next reaction is reaction with metals. One is third type of reactions. This third type of reaction we will discuss in next class. Third type of reactions are reaction with metals because haloalkanes and halogenes are undergoes mainly three type of reaction. One is nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloalkanes, and second one nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. And second and third after that elimination reactions and next aromatic component of the nucleophilic electrophilic clear substitution reaction, but substitution reactions are two types: nucleophilic substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reactions occurred in halogenes. Only nucleophilic substitution reactions occurred in haloalkanes. And second reaction, elimination reaction, that is beta elimination reaction. And third reaction is reaction with metals. Next we are going to discuss next class reaction with metals. Okay.